What's the most iconic American sports car of the 1960s? For many enthusiasts, it's the 1965 Shelby Cobra. This car just oozes cool. Its sleek, curved body hugs the road. Its massive V8 engine growls with unrestrained power, and its story is the stuff of legends. The Cobra was the brainchild of Carroll Shelby, a Texas chicken farmer turned race car driver. After health problems forced him off the track in the late 1950s, he decided to build his own sports car. He took a British AC Ace Roadster and stuffed it full of American V8 muscle to create the Cobra. This Frankenstein-like combination created a monster on the road. The Cobra's acceleration was ferocious. It could rocket from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds, annihilating Corvettes and Porsches. Its top speed approached 150 mph. In 1965, Shelby took the Cobra racing. He beat Ferrari at its own game, winning the FIA World Championship. It was a decisive victory for American ingenuity and audacity. The Cobra's success cemented its status as a giant killer and automotive icon. Its intimidating hood scoop, gaping mouth grille, and side pipe exhaust make the '65 Cobra one of the most identifiable sports cars ever.